Take a ride in the 2019 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $50,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, security system, power windows. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.